Hi, this is Hugo. This video will talk about CGA, which is known as Consumer Guarantee Act, and CGA applies to all the consumer and suppliers in trade. However, for the business as purchasers, if the goods and services that the business acquires are used to resupplies in trade, or consume in the course, or to repair other goods or fixtures on land, then CGA will not apply anymore. So, who is a consumer? Consumer basically means a person in trade who acquires from a supplier goods or services of a kind ordinarily acquired for personal, domestic, or household use for consumption. And those are the guarantee that given to supplier, given to consumer, including the price, description, and nature. Description means the statement made about goods, and apart from those, all other relevant circumstances are guaranteed. And what if consumers are unsatisfied with the goods? If consumers are unsatisfied with the goods or services, they can always ask for remedies. There are different kinds of remedies. It can be repair, replacement, or refund, depending on the type of goods. If consumer cannot have their goods remedied within a reasonable time, they can always reject the goods and ask for replacement or refund instead. And another important concept about CGA is contract out. It basically means the business is in breach of CGA. And contracting out of CGA can only be applied to a business-to-business transaction. Also, this agreement should be in writing, and the term must be fair and reasonable. Both parties must be in trade. As for the consequences of contracting out of CGA would be serious for a business. For example, a man paid a company $25,000 to restore his 1972 Falcon Coupe. It was finished 14 months later, but an independent expert called the work as the worst example of repairs ever presented. Where a service is not provided with some reasonable skill and care, a consumer may require the supplier to remedy the failure. And, and if they do not, consumer may have it remedied elsewhere. So the man had notified the company, but they hadn't fixed his work. In consequence, they had to pay the man the $9,884 he had spent on it. So this is all about the video, and thanks for watching.